So today we turn this type of yo-yos. Here it's a beautiful yo-yo from my woodturning lathe. So you can see here's the beautiful black finish from the grinder, and it's about 4 mm for thread, and here we have the thread here. It's like this. So it's beautiful yo-yo. So here it's all new product from Ramit Engineering Works. So here we have another yo-yos from similar kind. It's a polished product. This this type of yo-yo is excellent in performance. It's a beautiful and good toy for your kids. So here the production from our house. It is the beautiful production from Ramit Engineering Works. It's a beautiful mallet here. These are products are polished here.